came from church, and it was really good. Yeah, stay tuned. Comment, like, and subscribe, and share. And make sure your post notifications are on. Bye.
Do y'all like me blind? Comment in the comments below if you like me blind or you like me golden blind. We'll see. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself.
Cheese.
Japanese.
Fish.
All right.
I didn't even get it. Oh, man.
I did.
Wow.
Whatever. You missed the part.
I missed it.
All right. You have to come back tomorrow. No, I'll show you one more time.
Okay.
And who put egg in the fried rice? Is that okay? Egg in the rice.
Yeah.
Egg in the rice?
You ain't getting
You say no? What? If you don't like it, just pick it up.
No.
No?
Yes. I'll take hers.
Take her.
Thank you.
If she don't like it, she still charged for it.
Right.
So you have to take it.
Aaliyah, move your napkin right now. No, just take the napkin, please. No, you can't eat that.
No, she don't.
Yes, I'll take it. Why you can't eat that? Yes, he can cook the thing down. Oh.
It's just, I told you, just cook
Oh,
everything.
gotcha.
in the
They got you.
microwave.
Okay, I got you. Okay. I'm with you. My bad. On to you. I think I got
What about noodles? Noodles?
Well, it's good.
Yeah.
It's so crazy. Dude.
You got a full plate. You always.
It's just the appetizer, okay? Your real food coming later.
Did you want to see the salad? There's our stuff.
It's on that onion, huh?
That looks good.
Oh my goodness. Yes, we
Khalil's dinner. Rose food has arrived. So is Khalil's. They're allergic to seafood, so they got theirs cooked in the bag.
can't. You just catch them in different times.
Right.
After those Japanese places down the beach will do yesterday.
Oh, yeah, yeah. They all eat every weekend.
Wintertime kills them.
Yours had noodles on it too. Yours had noodles on it too.
Going on, sir?
Wow.
You said no egg, right? Oh, you want egg? Everybody egg?
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't say no.
Egg no food.
So crazy. Egg and flew over there. Yeah, it is. You so crazy. It ain't supposed to be full up with egg.
Yep.
Niggas still wear.
Right. You realize you got
Jimmy still wait.
still waiting.
Satisfied faces. Khalil, you good? Is you good? And we're good. If you haven't, please comment, like, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Share. Be sure to hit the post notification bell. And we'll see you on the next one.
Thank you.